grade 3 and 4, this week we're going to do a picture based on inspiration from the book Please Mr Panda. So we're going to make a picture of Mr Panda surrounded by donuts. Okay, so for this you'll need a piece of brown paper. You'll need to be able to have something to colour in with. So you have to be able to colour in your donuts with textures or crayons or pencils. And you'll need scissors, and it's a really good idea to have something to draw around so that you can draw the circle. I'm just going to use the bottom of this cup to make my donuts. You're going to need some A4 white paper so that you can make a Mr Panda picture. And let's get started. So for this illustration for Mr Panda we use brown paper, and if you have some cardboard boxes or you have some old cereal boxes, they're always really good. I've just got a piece of old cardboard which I'm just going to trim into shape. I'm going to use this as my background. I don't want that big sturdy, so I'm just going to recycle this part. So if you've got an old box, you can use that for your illustration today. I've made it about A4 size. I'm just going to grab a grey lead and I'm going to draw some circles. So I'm just going to draw around my cup. Now you can make these all in a line, or you can just make these circles random. I do 3 in a row, and I keep drawing until I have 4 rows of donuts. So I'm going to draw each donut slightly different colour. I'm going to use textures for this activity, and I'm going to get lots of icing colours and try and make my donuts as many kind of different flavours as I can. So with the donut I'm going to outline it. Some of them I'm going to give a hole in the middle, and others I'm just going to leave them round. Sometimes you can just add a little bit of a line where the hole is, give it like a shadow to pretend that there's more donut there. I'm going to give them icing, sprinkles. I'm going to colour them all in with as many colours as I think icing would come in. You have to have pink, of course. If you want to add sprinkles, you can add sprinkles. And you colour in your donuts. Donuts are generally brown, so I might give them a little bit of a brown base. If you have a white crayon or a white pastel, you can add a little bit of a sheen or a shine, because sometimes the icing can be a little bit glossy. And that looks nice. I've got a white pastel, a tiny bit left. I'm going to just add a little line to make it look like the donut is shining. So I'm going to colour these in and then I'll come back. Right, well I finished colouring in most of my donuts, and now I need to add my panda to the picture. So I didn't colour most of this section because Mr Panda's going to sit here on his donut background. Going to enjoy that. So I need to have a nice piece of paper. For this project I don't want my panda too big, so I'm going to get my A4 paper and fold the paper in half, because I actually don't want my panda to be massive. You can do this in texture, crayon, paint, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do my panda shape, which is round. I want my panda to be holding a donut as well, because it's raining donuts behind him, and then he's also holding a donut. Just big black eyes. Oh, practically made this one blind. The crayon's a bit thick. You can't really see his eyes very well. Here's his little face, and here comes his hands. Holding a Yum. You can colour your donut in, and if you want to, you can do a speech bubble. I pretty much do pandas with every year group this week. So if you have an animal that you like drawing, you could do that. There's Mr Panda. You can colour your donut in, and I've got a colour is. Probably easier if you do some pencil. Put some icing on my donut. If you do it in a pencil, it'll be much easier than crayon. I'm guessing my donut can be a purple today, I think. Some brown background. So when I've got my picture done, out and put him into his donut world. I'm sure you can do a much better panda than me. Mr Panda onto his background. Here he goes. Whoa. And yeah, we got some Mr Pandas. This is a colourful, fun activity for you to do. So if you get to do this activity, you could collage your panda, you could paint your panda, you could do so many things. So if that's something that you enjoy, brilliant. If you would like to make a recycled panda, you can go over to the Prep Grade 1 and Grade 2 page where they're making some recycled pandas. If you wanted to do a panda in a forest background, you could go to the 5-6 page where they're doing a painted panda. So if you've got paints and you really want to do it in that style, you can. So I hope you enjoy Panda Week and send me your pictures.